Hi, this is Sergio Fidalgo, CEO at Smart LED Inc. And today we're showcasing the best video processor that Colorlight currently has. This is the X100 Pro, the 7U version. We're talking multi-million of pixels load. It's a 7U rack mount processor. And if you don't know about Smart LED Inc., let me just tell you real quick. We've been in the business of LED displays for 17 years now, and both in indoor LED video walls and also outdoor LED displays, such as billboards, signs. And on the indoor side, we've done everything from home theater systems to lobby displays to multi-location mall displays and everything in between. Now, the Colorlight, our relationship with Colorlight goes back actually more than a decade. We've always worked with them both on product development, product strategies, and also even some software development. And I think the X100 Pro is the culmination of a lot of the partnerships and all the ideas that we had for making the ultimate LED video processor for any high-end application. We're talking, abilities of quad 4K inputs, up to dual or maybe even triple 8K if you max out your rack space on the back. We're talking about full 3D display technology. Capability is on board with X100 Pro. And also we're talking about 80 gigabit ports for the outputs. I mean, you can calculate how many millions of pixels that is. You can calculate what artistic things you can do. You can basically run multiple screens with each of your rack cards. I mean, capabilities for stage, for things like what's done in Las Vegas with the Sphere, both the interior and exterior. Virtual reality rooms, where you've got an LED wall both on the ceiling, on the floor, and on all four sides, creating a virtual reality space. All of that is capable with the X100 Pro 7U. It's really the culmination of everything that you can do both for stage, studio, and of course, if you're looking for the extreme, like extreme size home theater, we're talking about 400-inch LED walls, 500-inch LED walls, 680-inch LED video walls. All of that is capable with the X100 Pro. So really, it's a very exciting system. Right now, it's running its little screensaver, but if I just tap, you're looking, we're gonna talk about technical things now. So the X100 Pro is a multimodal, completely programmable, both on the video. It's a video splicer, but also on the outputs and inputs. So like I told you, you could have a quad 4K input. You could have a octa 4K input on this system. I mean, you could have 20 to 30, probably 30, you probably max out with 32 1080 inputs. So imagine if you had a gigantic LED wall for like a control center, for a command center, for like a, let's say we're talking about mission control for space. Okay, you could have on your gigantic LED wall, you could have up to 32 1080 inputs. You could have up to 8 4K inputs. I mean, the capabilities of this system is really exciting. Another detail that's very important about the X100 Pro is that you have to realize that a lot of the times, many times when you're having to do a large output, like this is a Smart LED and Colorlight X16 Pro. Okay, this has 16 ports output. So when you needed 32 or 64 bits, or 64 outputs, let's say you needed 32, you had to stack 2 of these. Okay, if you needed 48, you had to stack 3 of these. Well, you needed, 48, you need to stack 3 of this. So you were stacking processors, but there's no need, you'd have to stack and daisy chain, and you would be controlling 3 processors. Yes, it would look seamless, but there's no need for that. With a processor like the X100 Pro 7U, with a 7U system, you've got up to 80 ports. So you've got 80 ports out, whereas here you were stacking systems. So this is definitely the cleaner, more concise, and better way of doing it. So if you need a lot of outputs, you definitely don't want to be daisy chaining or stacking processors on your rack. You want to use something like the Colorlight X100 Pro and just get everything done with one processing unit. All right, so here you can see on the front of the X100 Pro, you've got the video splicer settings. Right here, it's not connected to the internet because we don't have it connected to the LAN. But your touchscreen is basically the following features right here. First, you got your device status, which shows you your full loadout. So you don't have to turn this thing around. You don't have to go to the back. Here you can see the full loadout. Right here we have dual 4K inputs currently. Okay, all of these are all open, base 3 to 8 to be exact. And then we have on the output side, we have a loadout of 3 gigabit cards, which have 10 ports, 10 output ports going out to the LEDs or to your LED wall or several LED walls. And you can see that these ports, base 4 to 8, are already ready to receive a card. And this is a really nice way to look at your loadout without having to go to the back or turn this heavy thing around. Now, here you also have the option for a preview. Now, we don't have any input, so you're not going to see a preview, but if we did, you would touch that and you would have a signal preview, which you could even change between your different 4K cards. So it's basically like a mini LCD of what's live, of the live video that's showing out to your LED walls or LED displays. Then we have the settings tab, which I'm not going to go too over, but you basically have a way to do auto DHCP when you connect to LAN, so you can see this device from anywhere in your LAN, or manual settings. You also have version info and a quick upgrade. If you need to use a package, you can just load a USB and it'll upgrade your firmware. And then lastly, I want to show you these two preset. We'll have a loadout of all your presets, which you can just touch screen, but you have to program those with your Windows PC or with your Mac, and then they're going to show up here, and you can just touch and change the preset. Then lastly, display. Here you can have your, you have obviously like a bunch of test patterns, or you can also have customized screens or backdrops that you can leave in there. And you have a nice little touchscreen brightness setting that you could set. You also have an option to black out the screen by just touching there, but this is the display tab. And as you can see, everything is very clean. No need for a jog dial, no need for buttons. It's all on this 5-inch LCD touchscreen, and that's why we really love the X100 Pro. Very clean and very easy to use. These settings on the X100 7U are obviously also available with Mac software and with Windows PC software. This is just kind of like a front load, easy way to get it through the front display. But most people, of course, will use the PC or the Mac apps, which are both available to download. Now, another thing about this processor that's very exciting is that it's hot swappable, so you don't have to turn it off in order to change cards. And I'm going to show you the back where you're really going to get excited about the options that you have here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. Now this thing's beefy. I would say I think the spec sheet weight is 60 pounds, but I believe it feels more like 70. But as you can see here on the back, you have a fully customizable loadout. Okay, so on the left, you have all your input rack. Okay, so we have 8 input racks with 1 dedicated control, which has got your 3D input, your LAN input, your RS-232 trigger input, and your Genlock in and your Genlock loop. Okay, this one is not, and of course you have your locking a power connector for the AC voltage. So these are all customizable. So like I said, your max would be you could have Octa 4K input. This is a 4K input card. This one's got dual 4K right now. Now we could take off this plate with 2 screws. This dummy, it's basically like a dummy card, slides out. You slide in the new card. It automatically shows up on the front screen and you're ready to rock. Now here, this rack is your output rack. So remember how I told you could have 80 outputs, 80 gigabit outputs? for running, huge displays. I mean, multi megapixel displays. All of these can be either with, right now we have it loaded with three, each card has 10 ports, okay? And there's 10 ports, so there's 30 gigabits here for displays. Now you can also load this out for output with fiber and also with some other specialized cards which are in development for outputs. But mainly 5G. If you know how to use the 5G protocol for Colorlight, you can, or you have those receiver cards, you can use the 5G system on this loadout. So this is like I said, this is a very exciting video processor. It's very costly and it's very high end, but it's definitely this type of customizable video loadout for both your inputs, your input bus and your output bus, along with the great video quality and the great color quality that Colorlight produces, especially with Smart LED's programming and DSPs. This is probably what I would say is the best processor available in the market. And in fact, this is probably going to be the one that we use for any studio or any live video capture, studio, high-end high-end studio, like for gaming, for gaming development, it's going to be the X100 Pro 7U. And also for anything that's like high-end home theater with large digital, large diagonal screen sizes will also be this display. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us, 1-800-762-0796. Or if you have questions about the X100 Pro, or you want training on it, we are an authorized Colorlight distributor, so you could reach out to us on our website, www.smartledinc.com. Looking forward to your questions on this processing unit, and thanks for watching.